have nail varnish. We are accepting drinks and, you know, we're here. And I also have amazing products for you, but I need to connect my band because they are still playing in the hotel and then in the other area of the hotel that came to Earth at the same time now in the country. I think you call this, you still have like divisions on the globe, right? So you have a name for it. It's the Latvia. Welcome to Las Hotel. We have amazing products today for you. And since we have a lot of people here, I think I'm going to give you a product right now. The good thing about the Sonja Khalecallon products for a better life is that you don't have to use money because on Las Hotel we don't have that anymore. We don't have countries, we don't have anything that just don't have race, nothing. Just being having a fantastic time. So today for you guys, I have this fantastic product. Sorry, excuse me. You get this device back on because we have fans all over the galaxy in all different times, and it's just being everywhere is complicated. So here we have, this is the fantastic poetic license card. You're so good at doing too. This is the poetic license card. Exactly. So the poetic license card says if you wanna shave half your head, paint yourself pink, wear like a trikini song, go buy some bread in the morning, or just go across the street. I don't know, if you want to go to your friends and somebody's staring at you and they say that you can't do it and you're like, what the fuck are you doing? You're just like,
you give them the card.
You flash the card and your poetic license card and you say you're just being poetic and it's perfectly fine. And if they have a problem with that, tell them to come talk to me. And you are already receiving these products within your car right at this moment. You don't have to exchange anything, you just have to practice the product, otherwise you don't have the product. Because it's a practice-based product. You can pass it around if you want to look at it. It's the poetic license card. You have it available in whatever color you want because you have to think about it and receive it in yourself. It's a great product. Sonja, thank you very much.